happened here? How are you guys today? This is looking good. I got me a Sony Handycam. Yay, I upgraded. Anyway, rotary phones. Some of you had them, some of you haven't, some of you have never seen this before, and some of you may never used one before. Why do I have a rotary phone here? Because I can use it in 2021. And you're asking, how? A product from Amazon. Cell to jack. This is a Bluetooth and charger to landline outlet. May wonders never cease. I saw this on TikTok and I thought, yeah, I'll buy one, do a review on it. And it works. I'm not kidding you. Let me show you. Before I get to that, of course, this is the box it came in. Very, very simple box. And on the inside, of course, it has instructions. Yay, yay. Throw that over there. So, get the extension cord, plug in a charger, typical 5-volt charger here. Let's see, plug this in. Okay, now you can see it's glowing blue. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take the end of this rotary phone, plug it in. I've already got this paired up with my cell phone. Let's put that right there. Okay, Bluetooth. Let me double check here. There is a dial tone. I don't know where the mic is on this. Hopefully you could hear that. I don't know. Anyway, there is a dial tone. I can call out on this. Let me show you. Alright, she's ready to be dialed out. Let me look up a number here. Here's one. Check for a dial tone. There is a dial tone. Let's see. It works. Now, I can have this be called in. However, you're not going to hear the actual phone ring. Observe. Hopefully you heard that. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah. Now, you can use this on any phone, I believe. I like to buy some and test some on it, because I got this fascination with phones as well. Now, let me unhook this real quick. Just unplugs, and now there should be nothing. Yeah, there's nothing. Let me show you something about these old phones. This particular phone, I believe, was probably made in the 60s and refurbished in the 80s. It has an 86 code on the bottom. And yes, I did clean this up because it was dirty. See it right there? 20th month 10 of 86. This was refurbished. Now, it said on the instructions you got to press pound twice, or as kids today say, hashtag, to get the phone to connect to your Celta jack. But there's no pound sign on here. Watch. That's your pound sign. Yep. That is your pound sign. Pretty neat, huh? So yeah. So if you're into retro phones or anything like that, get one of these. I will leave a link in the description. Of course, I'm not affiliated with anybody, so... And yes, I do have to use the actual cord on this. Probably because there's some kind of dangerous voltage spike if you don't, and I don't want to ruin this. So, but yeah. Anyway, this has been Leapin' Leppin'. Oh, that is tight in there. Yes, it is. That's okay. This has been Leapin' Leppin'. Comment, like, and subscribe. And of course, if you do subscribe, make sure to ring that little bell. You get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Of course, go to my TikTok. I do plenty of TikToks on there. By the way, if you're on my TikTok and you came over to my YouTube channel, thank you guys for getting me up to 10,000 followers on there. That's awesome. And over 4.5 million views. Thank you. Anyway, Leapin' Leppin', I'm out of here. See you folks in the next video.